muted. Sorry. I did not realize that my mic was muted. Do I look fine? Do I look nice? There we go. I don't need to hear myself that much. So let's not. The music is just a little bit calm, a little bit of just you know, nice, soft. I was planning on listening to songs, but like, never mind. Hello and welcome to yet another stream where we are going to building in City Skylines 2. I'm gonna show you what I did off camera. Hopefully it doesn't crash. You know, hopefully the game doesn't crash. Let's check our statistics, because sometimes the game is using too much. Okay, 65%. I put it on efficiency mode. I'm gonna put everything on efficiency mode. Why is this music so soft? There we go. That's a lot better. Oop. Here we are, back in the city. I think my face is too much. This is the best place to place it. It's not too much. Maybe let's crop me in a little bit. Let's check the filters. Crop the left by 400, the right by 500. Oh, 600. Why is it not? Oh, 1000. About 600. The bottom by 400. I think it's fine. I think this is fine. So, I forgot that I was actually. Where is the screen? City Skylines 2. Yep. I forgot to download the mod where I am able to add custom water sources. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Yes, this is the only way I know how to show the contour lines in the city, in the map rather. I'm still using Samui Island, but I have unlocked all the tiles because I wanted to get a grasp of the whole map, and I wanted to, you know, be mindful or to actually know what the hell I'm gonna be doing. So these highways, they're gonna be going away in the future once we get enough money. But for now, I have decided that this is going to be a northernmost tip, somewhat like Hokkaido. And this is gonna be the west coast, and then this is gonna be the east coast. So this is how you lose the thing. In the Philippines, the right side of the country gets hit with a storm. So we're not gonna be building that big of cities here, because they are very much prone. So I chose the west coast. This one would be somewhat of a similar weather to, yeah, and also Taiwan. If you know Taiwan's most of the population is on the west coast. But we might build smaller towns here. So here is the west coast. That's gonna be the north. So when I build, at least I now have a guide on which is north, south, east, west. Because when I used to build the City Skylines 1 with Magayon and stuff, I really didn't have a guide. So this is Samui Island. Added in more rivers because it's a rainforest, the tropical rainforest. So there has to be tons of rivers and tributaries, small waterways. This is gonna be, I don't want to spend too much money on landscaping yet. So all of this used to be the old coastline. If you played Samui Island, I added more land because it's too close to the mountains, and I want it to be a little bit, you know, a little bit more closer. Yes, and we might do some land reclamations. I just got home from school, well, a few hours ago, but yes, I was quite bored with the lesson. So let me just open up some pictures I sent myself. Okay, how do you full screen this? Okay, this is my picture. I'm gonna show it to you now. This is the sketch I made while being bored at school, and this is essentially, okay, let me just check if the mouse is visible. Okay, it is. This is essentially how the city is gonna look like. Similar to how I built in... Wait, look, my camera is not in the right space. Let's put you here. I think that's nice. Okay, so this is a sketch that I made at school, and this is just similar to, you know, just a rough sketch of the map that I'm working on. And this is going to be a walled city, because Daniel Steiner just released a video about Vietnam's map explained, and I was kind of inspired by the fortresses that used to stay there. And yeah, it's just a bit of a sketch. Gonna make what nodes do I have? Yeah, taking inspiration from the previous series that I've made, just working off of what we call this, the memory, just working off of muscle memory. You have an old walled city, which would be like an inner wall, an outer wall, and then they're gonna be built with canals. I think it's gonna be Amsterdam-ish. I don't know, just building off some lore. I don't know if we're gonna have canals. The canals might be filled in, but basically it also has taken things into consideration where that road will be, where the train might go. This map doesn't really have a train, so I'm gonna be putting a train in it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be building. The music is quiet. I want a bit of energy. I want a liveliness. Okay, since this is a colonial town, which we do not condone colonialism, well, let's just imagine that the winning tribe or something. I have a lot of names. I have sketched some names here. Why are you here? Anyways, hey. Weird. I wrote down. I had some sketches. This is what I basically do when I'm bored. Sketched some artwork. Yes, logos. Bye-bye in logos. I might make a logo for the series. I love graphic design. Here is the map that I showed earlier. Yes, and it's just gonna follow. Okay, to help us in deciding what it's gonna look like, let us go to Google Maps. We already have here Intramuros, so we can basically get the measurement of the roads, of the grid rather. 79 meters. Okay, how about this one? 95. How about this one? 80. Basically 75 to 100 meters. Nothing particular. Let me jot that down so that we remember. 75 to 100. But basically all of these is gonna be like that. This is gonna be my inspiration. Let's just take inspiration from Intramuros. 75. Thankfully, City Skylines 2 is now also 75 by 75. Monsieur Henri de Pantalon Rouge, did you study architecture or urbanism? I am a 4th year student in architecture. Yes, and our subject is community architecture and urban planning. So we're not really doing that much. So here I am, City Skylines 2. I'm studying that. I should probably write that in the title. Okay. Where are we gonna build the fort? Apologies, trees. The Move It mod in City Skylines 2 is not yet at par to what I'm used to using. I don't want to delete the trees. Why are you not then? So let's just place you here. Rotate it like so. And let's just, you know, place that. Okay, now let's build the road. Oh, I have to think of how far it is from the coast. Okay, how far are you from the coast? 100 meters from the coast. Okay, and how is this? 50 by 50. 100 meters by the coast. Oh, this is small. Okay. 400, 500. Oh, it's fun. It's fine. It's actually not that bad. Okay, I should overlay this so that it would make a lot more sense. Okay. Building Intramuros in City Skylines 2. Should I overlay it? Actually, I think it would be easier if I just overlay, if I just laid it over, you know. I am gonna copy it, but I'm not 100% gonna... Ew! Where am I? Let's close City Skylines because Photoshop necessarily doesn't like it when I, you know, do things. New file. Let's go make a grid. Let's paste the image here. Let's scale it up. This is very, very nice. Okay, now we're gonna export it as a PNG, and we're gonna put it. Okay, I'm gonna open City Skylines, options, asset. No, not here. I'm gonna open Sky for City Skylines 2, and then we're gonna take a look at the packages, open the folder, go to the City Skylines 2 page, overlays. Okay, where is the image? Okay, here. Okay, it's in Call Universe. I'm gonna put it on just on the pictures folder, and let's go to the pictures folder, file, Explorer, pictures, grab a little square, put it on the overlay. There we go. I'm gonna close Photoshop because it's gonna act up again. Options, I got mods, image overlay, refresh the file list. Let's select Untitled 1 and Control O. Ooh, what? How do you make it smaller? Options, overlay size, overlay position. Oh, I can do this. Overlay rotation. Overlay size. Okay. Let us move it in its most accurate place. We can just fix this a little later with the key binds because I really can't see clearly. Keys. Control O, move north, move south, control arrow. Okay. Oh, it's very high. Okay. Let's change the elevation. Shift control page down. Shift control page down. Ooh. Do we have to do this manually? I'm not gonna build this whole city. I'm just gonna get the grasp of the shape. Well, actually, this is too. My music is so sad. There we go. Energy. Elevation. -1,000. Oh, it's okay. 0, 0, 0. Okay. What the hell is happening? Why is it like this? Okay. I think this is fine. It's fine. This should be 100 meters away. Okay, let's make it bigger. How do you make it bigger? Okay. Overlay transparency. This is nice. 55%. Size 1,400. Ooh, look at me. Very mindful, very demure. It has to take over the whole space to wire. Let's cut you up. Let's cut it up a bit. Let's not make it too much. I'm building a Spanish walled city while playing Spanish music. Okay, this is fine. Do we already have like pathways? Can I elevate this and make it look... Is it really this expensive? Oh, it's elevated, that's why it's expensive. Okay, I'm just gonna build the wall for now. Do we have walls in City Skylines 1? City Skylines 2 rather? Okay, before we go into that, or go over that rather, I'm just gonna, oh, this is gonna be where the port is gonna be at, so I'm gonna do some creative liberty and just not do that. Okay, a sharp object here. We're gonna cut short. I'm gonna follow the river, and then I'm gonna give it, wait, it should have like a defensive style of the same caliber as that one. Something like this. Oh, the game just saved. Oh, it's so scary when the game saves out of nowhere. Okay, and then we're gonna do this, because I think the cities in other places they don't necessarily have that big of this is gonna be the fort, I guess. Is this how they build it? A defense against the dark arts, or something. Not me not knowing what the hell I'm doing here. I'm just gonna record this as a time lapse. I grab you and you go there, okay? I grab you and you go here. Don't play with me right now. Okay, that's fine. The streets, I think this is a lot bigger than what I actually built in City Skylines 2. I have a 4-lane gravel road. Oh, it's quite small. It's small. It should be this big. Let's make it a little bigger. I think that would be nice. I'm gonna delete everything. No, it's fine. It's fine. Actually, I shouldn't have built the road first. Delete. Oh, you can just do this. Silly May. Select that, and then and here. Select this, and then there. Bulldozing in City Skylines 2 is amazing. It's a lot easier than what would have otherwise have been. Okay, so knowing based on the data is 100 meters away. I don't care. Let's build it like so. Okay. Building Intramuros and City Skylines 1, City Skylines 2. I forgot that you can just I was thinking of how I should not oh no, what is this? Of how I shouldn't break the grid. When in reality, City Skylines 2 is not that dramatic with it. You can with placing roads rather. Oh no, this one is bad. When you try to align something with something else, it generally doesn't like it. What do you mean? Oh. I think this is the last place we ought to have. Oh, this road is too wide now. Okay, they don't necessarily have that wide of roads, actually. Okay, control O. Let me see. Oh. It's a little bit too 90 degrees. You know? Maybe I can just select it all. I'm just gonna select all the nodes and we are gonna move it a little bit here, we're gonna rotate it like so. Is this a lot nicer? If I can say so myself. This is a lot nicer if I can say so myself. Let's just make the roads a tad bit smaller. If this is gonna be our road system. Wait, basically what it was with that? Okay, this is where the church is gonna be. These roads are gonna be the thick ones. The main roads. Okay, let's build you over here and let's build this over there. Why do you not want to be built? In water? What do you mean you're in water? Let's elevate you a bit, shall we? Okay. Oh, damn it. What do you still want to be in water? Oh, I actually have the mod already. Okay, we can elevate it. We can elevate it. How many meters is this? 2.5, 3.5. And let's sync you up with a 5% grade. And then we're gonna just upgrade this into a... Oh, you can't. Distance too short. What do you mean? Now we're gonna deal with that later. Here's our little grid. I'm gonna make this roads a lot tinier though, because we don't really need that wide of roads. At this place for now. Okay, Control O. Are we feeling inspired? Are we feeling... I don't know. Okay, so since this is inspired by multiple cities, so I think that is where Intramorphs is gonna end. This is gonna be a freaking port. This is where... Oh wait, sorry. Sorry! Let's get this and let's push it in. Okay, now that we're done, let's go to Legazpi City. Okay, I'm opening up Google Earth on another tab. Oh, you can see me, that's nice. Okay, let's go to Legazpi City. And then let's grab this one. 200 meters, okay. Is this 200 meters? It's more than 200 meters. So I think that would be a nice way to end it. And there should be a bridge here, actually. There should be a bridge here. Okay, there should be a bridge here. And it should go like this. Like that. Bend a little bit here. And connect to that, like so. That's how the road is gonna look like. And for here, it's gonna go... It's just gonna go straight through, you know? Let's make this like a wide boulevard for funsies. This is gonna be another settlement right here. Yep. But I kinda don't like this too much. Maybe it's just me. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna continue with a walled city narrative. I think I'm gonna go with this one being a two-way road instead. This is gonna be where the market is gonna go. Okay. Here. Okay. 90 degrees. 4-lane gravel road. I think that would be quite accurate. Why don't you want to be what you are? Over water. We're gonna figure that out. We are gonna figure that out. But for now, I think I'm just gonna take a bit of inspiration. We don't necessarily have... Oh, actually, since I've done that, I want to make this the main square. It's gonna be the main square. The road is gonna come in, but it's gonna go out here. And we have a secondary main road, a main avenue going out there. How are we gonna deal with this later on? I still don't know. Basically, this layout is quite unique. I like it because it's a mix of Legazpi and then we're gonna go a bit Manila here. But I do not like this moment there. I think it doesn't, it's not mindful. Not me using the word mindful, Ken. Of the, what do you mean it's in water? Of course it's gonna be in water. Let's just, oh yeah. Why can't you just be built? Okay, then if you don't want 175 degrees, then you don't. Be built. What do you mean you don't want to be built? Okay. We will figure that out later on. Sooner or later. We already have. Why am I spending so? Okay, we still have 900,000. Okay, I thought something was going on. Here, I think we can. Okay, to tipid money, to save money. Let us imagine our height is elevated. Okay. Let us just imagine that there isn't a highway there for now. Because there shouldn't be, you know. Hello everybody watching the stream. I am currently building roads. Yes, that is exactly what I'm doing. And this is gonna be a boulevard. It was not connected. Apologies. They don't really like building roads that are, you know, not 190 degrees. Who the hell? What the hell? They don't like it. They don't like it. Okay. Tale as old. You are supposed to be a river, my friend. I cannot be bothered for now. Look at how this is. Look at what they did to my boy. Look at what they did to my boy. I'm gonna have to. Okay, that is the basic road layout of the city right now. We're gonna have other towns here. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Because also, look at this. Check the natural resources. I don't want to build. I want to maximize my natural resources. Speaking of maximizing natural resources, we are going to be stealing the rich. I don't like this. It's too straight. We are going to figure that out soon. Okay, hello. Don't mind me. I'm just going to play some industry to get money, of course. It's all about money. I mean, a cat. A cat. Let us destroy nature to build so that I can have fried chicken. Wheat farm. Wheat farm up here. Let's wheat farm up here. Ugh. Okay, this is the maximum it can go. So let's just take all the maximum space that we can steal from. Complete area. There we go. What else? You don't have, okay, forestry. I think I'm gonna build it up here. And just steal all the forest that is available. I don't know. I don't know how this works. They don't really cut the trees off the mountain. It just has a different color in it. not that concerned. Oh, look, it's just different. It's just a different color. The industry is gonna be built here on the other side. I don't know how far. Similar to Singapore, because their industry and their port is here. I'm gonna build more housing here. That's that. But I don't want to build here yet. I think I'm gonna be building some suburbs first. It doesn't make sense, but hopefully it will. Let me check where. I'm gonna use this as inspiration. I pass by here every day. This is Kalayaan Park, Barriada. 75, 200. Okay, 200 by 75. That is how big the park is over there. Is it close by a river? It's behind a river. Okay, I think the city's first suburb is gonna be built here. Not me building. Do you think we'll ever get a revival of Intramuros style urbanism and old Spanish architecture instead of the new buildings? I prefer the old buildings. With how the government and the world is, I mean, it depends actually, because you know, they like great things. It all comes down to money. If you stroke the egos of those in power to make buildings look nice, they will. It's all about, you know, giving the people what they want. Oh, why do I have a river here? I think the suburb is going to be built here. No, this is going to be the new downtown. Or this is going to be the new downtown. I cannot decide properly. What if we... Okay, this would be a very important river though. If a lot of trade would be happening here. Why am I building the suburb first? No, thank you. We don't have churches in City Skylines 1, City Skylines 2 for some reason. Okay, let me check, fix this up. Because City Skylines 1 by 2 is a bit too much. I hope there's new movements in the Philippines. Yep, I was thinking of that as my thesis, but I don't think I have enough energy to deal with that. Okay, with this moment happening here, I'm gonna be moving you down a bit and right a bit as well. Okay. Oh, what the hell that happened there? Building Intramuros, but not really. I don't want to expand very straightly. Okay, we will not expand straightly. I don't know if that's even a word. We will be expanding semi-organically. Thankfully. Thankfully, they did not decide to be in water. No, I can't build. It's in water. Stop it. Okay. There should be like another road going out here. Those were just ideas. As I've said, ideas. They might change. They might not. But that is going to be a for sure. Ugh, I am despised. I despise this road layout. Okay, I end up just building my hometown. Legazpi is really not my hometown actually. It is Tabaco. We have a rich history as well as Legazpi. I'm not liking this music. It's too sad. No, antiguo. Despacito. I'm changing the whole layout because that's what I like to do. No, I don't like it. Nyek is very Filipino. Nyek. just gonna be building over this. Why am I overthinking it too much? Oh, Singapore also. Okay, let's build some. Okay, I'm gonna think of the people here. Because they would have built a ton. I mean, a ton. Oh wait, it's not gonna be that wide. Let's make it narrower. These ones narrow. A lot of shop houses would be built here. You know. Oh, which means I have to widen this area. Okay, now that I remember, there's an island here. Not really an island. More like. Oh, the game is saving. No, 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 no. There's gonna be a market, a public market over here. Let me just do that instead. I don't like how this is looking. Oh, look at that! Isn't that just a little bit nice? Feels like it's no. We have farmlands very far away from the city. I'm building a town that I am. Why did I start with Intramuras and then I just decided to build this? I don't know, it's just me. We like that. Did we actually? Governor Forbes Boulevard. I do not want to build the history of it anymore. I just want it as a guide. I'm tired of always building more. But let us hug the coastline, shall we? This river is too wide. It's too wide for my liking. It needs to be straighter like that and a little bit more abrupt. Basically building Legazpi again. But you did not see that though, because I did it in private. I have a road. Very well. Is the music nice? No. Mexican lo-fi. If we were to follow... Okay, that's fine. Why does it look too fat? I think it's because I am too close to the coastline. Okay, looking at this like that, it looks a lot more digestible. That's a lot more digestible for me, I fear. Not to shame fat people. I am fat as well. But I think this is a lot better as a nice starting point. Okay, let's go. People demand so much. What did I suddenly turn into like that? I think it's fine. Oh. The road. I have to make this. I have to give it some meaning so that it wouldn't be too much of a what the hell is happening? You know what I mean? There we go. Let's give it a bit of squiggle. No, it never hurt. Squiggles never hurt. It never hurt anybody. Squiggling never hurt anybody. Is that all right? Is that all nice? It's fine. You're saying fine for what it is. Alright. How long have we been streaming? I don't know. Oh wait, I actually can check. I've been streaming for almost an hour. I actually have been not be forgetting words. You know, we might just build over these. I want to build my suburb now. Okay, it turns, okay, you go right, and then you left. Let me just do this instead. What do you mean you're in water? Oh my god, everybody's just... Here we are. Let us build the town here. 200 meters. Okay, how wide is this? 78. 210. 80. 16. Okay. And how big are the lots here? 60 meters. I built an old town and then I'm building residential here. 60 meters. 64. The other side will be the same. I don't know. 64. 64 as well. And just middle side is nice. Will you actually finish the city this time? Oh my god. Being called out on my ADHD. Live on stream. Finish? I think so. I'm not downloading too many mods right now. I think it's safe to say that I might finish this because I'm not gonna be too obsessed with making it perfect because the game itself is not perfect. So that gives me a bit of leeway into just trying to have fun. Because it's all about fun, isn't it? 64 again. Okay, it's 64. Okay, it's one more extra. Give it a bit of fun. A bit of uniqueness, nerve, and talent. Let's give it a bit of that. Magayon is... I went back to it multiple times. It was just too much. I got overwhelmed. Let's keep it natural. Oh, there was a river here. That's why that's like this. What if we give it a bit of a river too? Just a very tiny river. Explaining as to why we have a weird layout right here. You know, nobody, a weird layout never hurt anybody. Let's go. Let's give it a very, very tiny river. A tiny creek, if you will. There we go. Just gonna destroy this later on. What if we redo the river to follow this instead? Not me deciding to reroute the river because of building here. There we go. What if we do this as well? We're figuring things out as we go, you guys. We're figuring things out as we go. Having it like so would give this a bit more meaning than it would otherwise have had. Okay, let's see now. The river, the new river. Okay, the new river is there. So I will be crossing here. But the road will go like that. And then we're gonna turn right like so. And just go up somehow. Still not final. Still not final. Wait, I actually said that this is gonna be like the inner city and there's gonna be an outer wall. Maybe I don't know. With the vibes that I'm getting, I don't think it will be possible. We should actually build a loop, you know? The loop should go all around this. We haven't even built the maintenance of these roads are just gonna be crazy. Okay, so this is gonna be shop houses. So I think it's gonna loop a bit deeper. Okay. If this is gonna be part of the loop, what if we just avoid this whole place entirely? Like the loop is gonna start from here and it go all the way up there. But it would be a loop. It would be considered a loop because it goes around. Please don't crash. Okay, it did not. Okay, I think this would be a good loop. And also because Manila, yeah, we have loops. Quote unquote loops. Doesn't really like that. It's not really like that. It's not like that. Okay. Oh no. Oops, sorry. I have acid. So that's not. Yeah. I'm gonna be covering this up with trees because I want this town, this little village to be quite private. And also, you don't really need to have that big of rivers here because a lot of rain and it's just soaking into the ground. So with that fact, let's continue building. When assets come, and they will, but I still don't know when, that's when we are gonna decide to do stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna be building there first. I'm gonna be building here. So the homes are gonna be EU low density waterfront because I like these. Okay, all of these have homes, so all of these will have homes as well. Some of them hug the water, or the side rather, but it won't be too much like this. Ako si Mr. Suabe. Everybody's gonna have a house now, okay? If that's what you want. Oh, also we have to build out here. At the middle, Barriada Street. The first suburb. I'm gonna take that. Oh, why did I build that? Not yet, babes. Not yet. 4-9 gravel road. Let's be mindful. Let's not build too harshly. But you know, let's have a bit of fun. Let's build it now, shall we? So that I don't forget, because I will inevitably forget. We are once again gonna cross another river. So many bridges in this series. But why do you not want to be built? Why do you not want to exist, my friend? My friend. Okay, my friend. My friend is good. My friend is fine. Look at that, it's already starting to look nice. Okay. The houses, commerce. Since this is gonna be where commercial is, temporarily we're gonna place them there. Industry. Since this will just become industry in the future, why don't we just build the industry here? Why don't let's build it so far away, okay? Let's build the industry as far away as possible so that the people don't get too annoyed. I'm not overthinking how many lanes or how specific the distances are. What's important is we've got a commercial space. Let's do this. Nobody's really gonna be driving that far. if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so this will be our... Oh, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, the electricity lines. Not all of these roads can carry electricity. Well, I can electrify the whole of this place, but connecting it, we're gonna have to connect it manually. Okay. Water. I think the industry of the city is really gonna be here. The music is so sad again. I don't like sad music. There we go. Happy. We are so happy. Where is the water going? Is it going into the land? Okay, I'm gonna put the pumping station here and the pooping station over here. We're gonna connect this over like so. We're gonna connect. Where's the snapping part? Over here. Okay, now the water goes around this whole place. Because there's literally water. Why not? Okay, it's now connected to the city. For electricity, the electricity can be connected through the mountains. And then let's just cross it. Okay, let's cross the electrical lines. Like so. Are you connected? Are you connecting? Okay, I'm just gonna control A this because I can't be bothered. Anarchy. Electricity. What is gonna be our electricity? Wind. I'm gonna place the electricity a little farther. 5 megawatts. And we are gonna connect you once again through the mountains because I cannot be bothered. Oh. Hello. Hi. Okay, connected. Oh, our little moment here. A little water. The little water moment needs to be connected, sadly. Sadly, a connection is needed, Mr. Water. No, we are connected. We have electricity. We've got water. What is this? No. Now let's wait for the people. Let's wait for the people to arrive. Commercial is going down. Okay. Let's be mindful of the economy because I don't want the economy to crash again. Oh, we have to figure this out too. Are we gonna spend time here? Am I really gonna spend time here? Why not? Oh, we don't have a highway. We don't have highways yet. Maybe a small roundabout. Doesn't really make much sense to build a roundabout here. How do we delete the roundabout? Okay. I'm just gonna do a loop-to-loop. Okay, like that. Overlapping items. I do not care. Let's just build a loop-to-loop here. There we go. A loop-to-loop. Oh, what do you mean there's no water? We are connected, are we not? Do you see this? Do you see that? I did not see that before. Now that is connected. Okay, the whole upper mountains has water. Do you not? They do. Water, 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 water. Okay, let's now check the water supply. It's supplying water all across the river. Now into the city. Everybody is liquefied. Oh no. Let us not expect people to live close to that place just yet. Okay. People are so excited to live by the water. That is not what we want. That is not what we like. You guys first live here, close to the core of the development. Okay, now everybody wants You will not be able to live near the main road. This is not how it's, you know, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Let the water flow. Oh no. What is my speed? Are we at 3 times speed? Nobody lives here in the city yet. Why? Why is nobody living in the city? Okay, I think it's because they just haven't. Oh, there we go. People are moving in. Oh yeah, nice, good. Ah, they don't have water. Okay. That part of the world is not connected, or is it just too far away? Very well. You are to be connected here. What the hell just happened? I think the game just saved. Water? Water? Oh, the bridge does not have water. Right then. Okay. I'd really have to have a home here, but the city doesn't want me to. Oh, fine. Let me just check the buildings. The shop house. Oop, it fell. Let me just check the shop houses, you know. Am I still alive? Oh, I'm frozen. I am frozen. Why am I frozen? Elsa? Sheesh. Me is frozen. I'm not moving anymore. Refreshing, refreshing. Start your camera. Allow. Well, I'm just gonna be covering that up when I publish this video. Video. 4K. No, really, I'm not streaming in 4K. Here is my face. 1x3. Where is the building that I like? Are you the one? Are you the one for me? Or is it this one? I believe it is this one. But I don't like you. You have a backyard. I don't need a backyard. I need Singapore. You are not very Singapore. Ah, no. 1x3. Are you the Singaporean one? Or should I place it across? Ah, what if we just choose this one? And then let's imagine that they have shops. There has to be like boats here and stuff. You know, give it a bit of whimsy. By the water. And we have this mad. You lag, bro. What do you mean I lag? Am I the one who's lagging? Okay. I'm so close to the camera. Here we are. I'm selecting the building. Oh, there we go. We are gonna change. We're gonna change some things. All of them will now have orange roof. And they will all be white. Be white, they said. It's gonna be orange roof. Are you orange now? Okay, it's slowly turning orange. Distinctly Southeast Asian. Also similar to how Indonesia. You're right. Look at how slowly they are turning orange. Just a bit of, yes. Oh, this is too high. Okay, I'm gonna be building, okay, since we have started here, I'm gonna be building close to the waterfront. Okay. Alright. let us select the nodes and let us align it to the object height, which is this one. And I am gonna place, oh no, we still can't. We're almost there though, we're almost there. We will get there. The population is about to plus itself. I'm gonna allow people to live here now. Where else can I put people? I don't want to place people here yet. We can just destroy. Tiny village, perfect. I will first open advanced road surfaces because that's how useless I am. Kwe. Can you build Kwe? We can build Kwe. Now we have Kwe. ¿Qué pasó? They already want this. Okay then, I give you what you want. Look at that. Tell me this is not Singapore. It's not. Word. I don't want to use that kind of street because what do you mean there's no protection? We apologize for the lack of electricity. Don't apologize. Be better. People are poor. Okay, since I despise these buildings, this is basically what my unpublished City Skylines 1, my new City Skylines 1 series looks like. Oh, I am the one who's lagging. My stream is lagging. Okay. Moving around, moving around. I'm lagging. Now I'm frozen. But I'm still here. Something evil is going on in this society. Here on the stream? Oh yeah, I really am frozen. YouTube is not receiving enough videos. But can you hear me? We're buffering. Apologies. We are experiencing some issues, which is sad. I think this is... Okay, have I been lagging the whole time? Oh, we're lagging. We've been lagging for the whole time. Okay. I think this is where we're gonna end the stream for now. We have been lagging for a while. I might stream again, like right after this, because I still am not yet sleepy, and I'm having fun. I have a North Star now. I have a guide on where I'm gonna go with this moment. I'll restart the stream. Unless it's working again, which I had doubt. Oh wait, it is. Am I smooth now? Oh. Okay then. So we were smooth. Ooh, I like this. I like it very much. Okay. Oh, I'm smooth now. I can see myself and you can see you, and that's good. That's all right. Okay, I don't like people setting up shop at this place, the colonial side of the city. So I might just place them over here for now. Oh, we have new industry. Vegetable. Okay, we will be farming vegetable here. Once we open the once we unlock rather the ability to this is not how it's supposed to go. Oh no. Let's bulldoze here. Oh, I think that would be the end of episode 1. I should probably save this. No, let's build some things before we end episode 1. I want to get that started before we end episode 1. This is gonna be episode 1, you guys. And if I get bored of the transcript or whatever that is, I'll just do it into a time-lapse mode, because that's a lot easier than trying to make things make sense when, you know, they don't. All right. A vegetable farm. You know, a vegetable farm. Coal mining. We have to industrialize our world. I also have oil. Oh, we will destroy that. I will be mining the coal. Teehee. But I will not be mining too high up in the land, because I don't want it to be too visible. Proceeds to completely destroy nature. Huh? What do you mean it's overlapping? What do you mean it's an invalid shape? Oh. It's reversed. It was reversed. Okay. We are going to like das. There we go. Now we will steal all of the reach. All of the reach of this place will be mine. If you have any problems with it, then that's your fault. It's not my fault. Okay. You go down here. Why not? People want to live in the city. Should I build another suburb? They want to live. Hospital. I'm building this. That's gonna be like a detailed place. This is just gonna be where we get the money. A small little medical clinic, because we have a barangay hall here actually. There's a barangay hall that's supposed to be there. Recycling. Nobody's complaining. Once they start complaining. Ooh, speaking of cemetery, there is an actual cemetery over here. Let me just show you the map. You cross the road, the cemetery is over here, by the big river. Since the big river is going to another side, I'm gonna place the cemetery. Okay, the upkeep is 27, 22. Let's build a cemetery, you know. Since we are gonna have some lore, we have a huge space. Why not? Nobody's dying yet. What is this? A temple? Oh, that is nice. What is this? A mausoleum? Oh. You know what? Oh, this would be nice at the capital. This makes sense. What if this becomes the city center? I mean, instead of a cemetery, it becomes a park. Is that silly of me? I don't know. Once again, making it Singaporean. I don't know, we have space. Why not? Okay. We have new roads. Oh wait, oh, I'm so sorry. I cannot see if the stream is alright. Play. Am I still live? Am I frozen again? I'm frozen. Okay, I'm gonna restart the stream at 1.5 hours. That's fine. We're rich. I bought all the land that I want. This is how they would have built back in the day. How do I turn off zoning? Okay. Will this be the new thumbnail? We have a central park there. I'm gonna be building that in the future.